Hi guys, so today we are going to learn about this Bluetooth, this round Bluetooth, how to repair it, how it works, how the components works. So we are going to open it. So here we will start opening it from here, from here. Okay, okay. This is how the Bluetooth is like. We have the speaker, we have the battery, and then the the antenna. Okay, so let's put this one aside. Within this one we have um the speaker, base, and the tweeters inside here, and then before this net to cover the speaker, and then the rubber. That's the base. Base is over here. So let's put this one aside. We are all going to learn about this. So within here, let's put this one aside. So within here we have two IC, this one and this one, and this one. We have a display IC over here. This one is a display IC. So anytime that you open it and you see this IC, it's called display IC. And we have sound IC too over here. The sound IC, beside the sound IC, you will see a speaker connector over here too. And then with the display IC too, you will see a battery connector too over here, which is red, before the antenna. So we are going to learn about this board. We are going to learn how to repair it, how it display, how it works, and how this board function. So function of this board. So within this board, you can see the Bluetooth name over here. This is the Bluetooth. The year that the Bluetooth arrived is over here, and then the Bluetooth name, and then the voltage and the capacity that it takes. So beside here you can see a microphone too over here. This is a microphone. So maybe if you are playing music and then you have a call on your phone, the music needs to stop because of this sound IC, because of this display IC. It will stop the music for the call to pass through the sound IC, so that the sound IC will open the microphone for you to talk through the microphone. So this is how it works. Let's start with the board. Within the board you can see everything over there. We have LED, which is the light emitting diode. We have the Bluetooth as it is. So if you open any component and you see this thing, this is the Bluetooth, the board build Bluetooth, and with the display IC over here with capacitor. This is a capacitor. Every capacitor have his voltage. This capacitor have 10 volts for 470 microfarad. So 10 volts 470 microfarad. That's a capacitor. This is a diode, black diode. You know the function of diode. I will explain it in my next video. And we have this as a resistor. We have this as a resistor. And we have three type of resistors. This is a secondary resistor. It works as a transformer. Yes, so this resistor works as a transformer. So this is the whole board. And with the board, you can see a battery IC over here. This is a battery IC. And this is the LED IC. That's the LED IC. My next video, I will teach about LED IC and then a battery IC. So today we are going to learn about how sound IC produces sound.